Here I will show you how to tint your own eyelashes. Start off by dampening down some cotton discs. Prepare 2 damp cotton discs to protect your under eye area from the tint.
So I'm just cutting a little arc into these discs. These are for under the eyes. Lay one side by side like that. We're going to just put some Vaseline onto the disc just so that it will stick under the eye area, and this is to protect the skin from getting the tint on it. So to mix up the tint, you need about 2 centimeters of the tint. I'm just doing 1.5 centimeters of blue black, but if you mix a little bit of the brown, maybe 0.5 centimeter of the brown, it gives you a better overall colour. And then you need about 10 drops of the peroxide. And you mix it up then with a brush until it's a smooth paste.
Put some Vaseline onto a cotton bud. Apply Vaseline under the eye, avoiding the lashes, to protect the skin from getting tint on it. Place your cotton discs under your eyes with the Vaseline side sticking to the skin. With a cotton bud, apply Vaseline on your upper eyelids to protect them. Carefully apply the tint onto your eyelashes using a spoolie brush or an old mascara brush.
And just be careful not to get the dye into your eyes, because it might sting a little bit.
Brush the tint onto your upper lashes just like you would a mascara. Your eyelash tint will last for 4 to 6 weeks. A patch test should be done 48 hours before your first tint. With a small brush, make sure you cover the roots. When you have coated all the lashes with tint, you can relax and allow it to develop for 15 to 20 minutes.
But do have your damp cotton wool to hand to wipe it off. My eyelash tint has been on for about 20 minutes, so I'm ready to take it off. So just have your damp cotton discs ready and have your bin beside you. So with your cotton wool, give it a wipe, more cotton discs, and just give it a good wipe there. It may sting a small bit, but that's normal. And tint has come up lovely. And that's your eyelash tint.
Order your professional, personalised tint to do in the comfort of your own home, and we will post it to you.